Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your backyard into a healthy veggie haven? Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can grow a variety of delicious, nutritious vegetables right in your own garden. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the mighty kale. Kale is like the superhero of the veggie world. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and it's super easy to grow. Just give it some sunlight and water, and you'll have lush green leaves in no time. Next on our list is the classic tomato. Whether you're into cherry tomatoes or beefsteak, these juicy fruits are a garden staple. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, tomatoes can boost your immune system and add a burst of flavor to any dish. Don't forget about carrots. These vibrant, crunchy veggies are perfect for salads, snacks, and even baking. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is great for your eyes and skin. Plus, they're fun to harvest. Just pull them right out of the ground. Then, there's the versatile zucchini. Zucchinis grow like crazy in the summer and are fantastic for grilling, baking, or even making zoodles. They're low in calories but high in fiber, making them a perfect choice for any health-conscious meal. How about some spinach? This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, calcium, and folate. Spinach grows quickly and can be harvested multiple times throughout the season. Use it in smoothies, salads, or as a cooked green. It's incredibly versatile. And let's not forget bell peppers. These colorful beauties are rich in vitamin C and add a sweet, crisp flavor to your meals. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, and they thrive in warm, sunny spots in your garden. We have the humble beetroot. Beets are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients like folate, manganese, and potassium. They can be roasted, boiled, or even pickled. Plus, their greens are edible and nutritious too. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many diets and are incredibly versatile. They're rich in potassium and vitamin C. You can grow them in the ground or in containers. Peas are another great addition. They are easy to grow and are packed with protein and fiber. Plus, they taste amazing fresh from the garden. Lettuce is perfect for fresh salads and grows quickly. It's a great source of vitamins A and K. Swiss chard is another nutrient-dense leafy green. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K and can be harvested multiple times. Cucumbers are refreshing and hydrating. They grow well in warm weather and are perfect for salads and pickling. Onions are a must-have in any garden. They add flavor to countless dishes and are easy to grow. And let's not forget about herbs. Dill is a fantastic addition to any garden. Dill is easy to grow and thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Plant the seeds directly in the garden after the last frost. Keep the soil moist, and you'll see dill sprouting in no time. It's perfect for adding flavor to salads, soups, and pickles. Other herbs like basil, parsley, and mint are also great choices. They require similar care and can be harvested throughout the growing season. Growing herbs not only enhances your garden, but also elevates your cooking with fresh, aromatic flavors. And finally, pumpkins. They are not only great for pies and soups, but also for decoration. Pumpkins are rich in vitamins A and C. So, there you have it. A backyard garden full of health-boosting veggies. Growing your own vegetables is not only rewarding, but also ensures you have the freshest, most nutritious produce at your fingertips. The cost of fresh vegetables is increasing dramatically, and that having a garden can be very profitable. Get those gardening gloves on and start planting today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Happy gardening!